The Breeze on Star FM.
All right, now we have a chat with Mr. Peter Machimbirike from the ZNFPC. He is the ZNFPC Marsh East Provincial Manager. Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
I'm good.
My Judah.
I'm very well, thank you, Mr. Machimbirike. Now, very quickly, who is Zimbabwe National Family Planning Council?
Thank you very much. Zimbabwe National Family Planning Council is a parasector under the Ministry of Health and Child Care, and were created through an Act of Parliament in 1985. And we are basically mandated to do the following. We coordinate and take a leadership and support the implementation of integrated family planning services and the related sexual and reproductive health services in Zimbabwe. So we are mandated to do that. We also provide the technical assistance to the family planning program, and we provide the quality control of all public and private sector SPC services. On top of our mandate is also the conducting of training of health service providers. Takavese vadakutrainwa zvefamily planning, munotouya kufamily planning Zimbabwe National Family Planning Council. Ndo basa redu guru iroro. Rimwe basa redu guru zvakare nderokucreate demand for the family planning services. Kuti vanhu vakwanise kuziva, kuva noruzivo nezvefamily planning. Rimwe basa redu zvakare nderokuita maresearches kuona kuti chii chiri kushanda kana chii chisiri kushanda. We conduct national research. Then last is do procurement and distribution of contraceptives for the whole country. Ndichipesa ndichiti basa redu guru in terms of our vision is to provide quality integrated family planning services for all. And our mission is to provide the right-based quality integrated family planning services through innovation and coordination. These are family planning services. Thank you.
All right. So you mentioned across Zimbabwe. Now, if you can tell us, how is the ZNFPC structured and also spread across the country?
Okay, thank you very much, my Judah. ZNFPC, a central unit such as the service delivery and training. That's the key. Mongo with ZNFPC, service delivery and training. You are responsible for providing all the clinical services, including training of the FP clinician. Then we've got the marketing department that is responsible for information dissemination. Then the evaluation and research unit that are Nabotara Pamsura, and they are responsible for doing our operational researches and for monitoring and evaluating of the FP program. Then of course, on top of that, we've got administrative departments, the finance, the audit, and human resource and logistics. And in terms of provinces, we are represented in all the 8 provinces of the country, and we have 8 provinces with all who are represented, all the districts are in those provinces. So we are all over the country, my Judah.
You are all over the country. Mabatere, youth centers and stuff?
Okay, for the mainstreaming of our youth services, 26 youth centers scattered all over the country as well, who specialize in the provision of family planning and youth-friendly services for the young people in terms of prevention of pregnancies and issues of skills for them to grow up and so on and so on. So in all the provinces of the country, we've got 26 scattered youth-friendly services across the country. Okay.
Now, Mr. Machimbirike, I thought you were going to ask me, why did the youth centers why are you bringing up youth centers? I feel very youthful. Youth. Endofanira kuita hangout nemayouth ndokusaka ndakubvunza because handakuzvinzwa kuti mayouth center kwatinombonofara uko nemayouth tichitaura nyaya dzefamily planning. All right. And of course you're big on service delivery models, and this is how you service the community. If you want to shed more light on who should use family planning and where one can get your services.
Okay, any woman of reproductive health can access the family planning services. And these family planning services are available at all the facilities of Ministry of Health and Child Care. And in terms of ZNFPC, at all our ZNFPC clinics scattered all over the country. And kunogona kwaona zvakare kuma-youth centers kwawataura kutena achasiri zvema-youth center nokuti ndaona kuti munondibata. So pama-youth centers already also you can get simultaneous service. Then in terms of outreach services, tine vanhu vanoita ma-outreach services. Our partners, Population Services Zimbabwe, Population Services International, and SHA 360. One offer simultaneous commodities at outreach, at selected outreach facilities. So nobody knows what simultaneous. Then sometimes also for those who have got money, you can get them in private pharmacies.
Okay, all right. And very quickly, how can people get in touch with ZNFPC?
Okay, I'll talk in terms of the province for which I'm representing here. We are based in Marondera. You can come to our clinic at First in Marondera. That's where we are based. Then we've also two of our youth centers in Nyakuchena, that's in Modzi, Nyakuchena and Masarakupa. You can get in touch with us. Then in terms of my training, I know we are also doing a bit of public sector training. You can be in touch with Sister Sarah Dabda. She's the coordinator of the training. Unogona kuabata pa number dzavo amenodzipa here pamhepo apa.
All right, let me give out the WhatsApp number 0715056372. You can WhatsApp to 0715056372. You can also catch them on Facebook, Zimbabwe National Family Planning Council, and you can also send through an email to pr@znfpc.org.zw. Thank you so much, Mr. Machimbirike. Until next time, it's a wrap.
This is FM.
Sounding good all the time.
The Breeze on Star FM.